Kithure Kindiki ritukuria lero akoretaro ya igikase county ya Kisii azensemeri ya Kibit asanyara komera na nensemo yoborendi Kindiki ukona kora nseme ni garu gukuro gutinde gutyasa bana siasa na gote yabuna atari go kigwanchana na bana siasa kunyara guturwanyo murembe me ya county ya Kisii asenchere yego tumeka siasa ngana ateberu namba chikomukirwe getambo kerege tinde kinga keji Kindiki ni gati bana chokora monchiryo asensemo yamanya nyimbo ime ya county ya Kisii unanchere mu yokore tomurembe uno murike ichomeru de mumanyi agotomanya
Waziri w'uburendi bwa Kithure Kindiki nigo emambia lero atwara egikaro amona bateneri bensemo y'uburendi ime county ya Kisii asensemo ya Kenya Institute of Highway and Building Technology kubwatekana n'ebikore ebyo byabire bikoenekirwa ime county ya Kisii ilio koenekya abamenyi benseme yongonyora bare obukoreri obya.
It's a routine meeting just to look at the situation of service delivery in this county. As you're aware, our space is national security. We are tasked with the mandate of ensuring that our country is safe and secure, and that the people of Kenya from every part of the country have a safe environment to carry out their daily activities, economic activities, political activities, social activities, in an environment where they are free from crime. So once in a while I visit my officers in the field, and I thought that I haven't been to Kisii for a while, and I needed to touch base with my colleagues here because these are my greatest assets as the minister, because they are the people who help us to deliver.
Ukwana asenseme yonigo arure ogukura ugotindi gochase abarayi bali bakwebisa ase siasa na gukora ebikore byo byobusalia ime county ya Kisii.
We put our heads together and come up with a strategy on how we confront these criminal incidents so that we secure Kisii and make it a good place and make the people of Kisii go about their businesses without fearing criminals. You know, we cannot talk of a secure Kenya if any part of the country is not secure. So we must make sure every county is safe, is secure, and therefore that's why we are here. We have also looked at the increasing incidents of violence in political activities, which is unacceptable because politics is a healthy and democratic activity. It is allowed by the Constitution. Our Constitution in Article 4 provides that Kenya is a multi-party democratic state.
Nigo akora kagoteba buna egetambukero egetindinge chikoimokeliwa asibali baragende maminchane lichiko.
It doesn't matter whether they are from what political shade. We will go after them and we will arrest all of them. We don't even care how much influence a politician has. A lawbreaker is a lawbreaker. Period. And please, everybody must respect the law. Nobody is above the law.
Kuripotelia egetaseni kya Ndizi TV, eletaliane Mildred Momanyi.